Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to use new Google Weather app on the Google Pixel 9. So in order to do that, scroll down to your weather application right here. Now find at the top right corner your account icon, tap on weather units, choose regional preferences. So here you can choose the day over the week, right, which is gonna be set, and the temperature measurement. So let's press on the temperature tab. You can choose from Celsius and Fahrenheit. I'll leave it on Celsius. Let's go back. Now it's set it. So here is your weather in your main location. Press here. You can get your hourly forecast. You can get your weather insight, AI weather report. You can see your humidity. Right. You can get a 10-day forecast right here. For every day. If you want to get more detailed information, simply tap on the day and you'll get all the information on it. You've got your precipitation, wind, UV index, visibility, air quality, humidity, pressure, sunrise and sunset. Every tell you about the weather, what you need. However, if you need to check on the weather in some other city or other country, simply go back to your weather application, find this big button right at the bottom of your screen, tap here, and search for location. For example, let's search for Casablanca, Morocco. Okay, let's press here. So tap, and now we've got the full information about this region. So once again, forecast, hourly forecast, wind, UV index, humidity, visibility, everything you need. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.